Your kitchen counters are likely hiding a dirty little secret in the form of deep grooves and stains on those old cutting boards you have been using for years. It is time to look at a serious upgrade that feels more like aerospace engineering than basic kitchenware. I have been putting these titanium cutting boards to the test, and the results are pretty striking. This is not your standard plastic slab or a heavy block of wood that eventually cracks or warps. Instead, you get a hybrid design that features a solid titanium side and a high-density plastic side. The set includes two different sizes, which covers everything from massive meal prep to a quick line garnish for a drink. The large board is your workhorse for big dinners. The smaller one is your go-to for the little things. One of the best features is how thin yet incredibly strong they are. You can see the quality just by looking at the profile. They feel substantial without being bulky in your cabinets. The titanium surface is a dream for anyone who values hygiene. It is non-porous and naturally resistant to bacteria buildup. You can slice raw chicken on it and feel confident that a quick wash leaves it perfectly clean. The plastic side gives you that familiar grip for vegetables or fruit. Each board has a built-in handle for easy maneuvering. You can grab them quickly or hang them on a hook to save drawer space. There is a bit of a debate about the cleaning process. The manufacturer says to avoid the dishwasher. They probably want to preserve that sleek finish over time. But I like to push my gear to the limit. I have been running mine through the dishwasher cycles and they are holding up perfectly. You should probably stick to hand washing if you want to be safe. But it is good to know they are tough enough for some heat. The thickness is dialed in perfectly. There is no flexing or wobbling when you are using a sharp knife. It provides a stable and reliable surface that makes your chopping feel more precise. The visual appeal is another huge factor. That metallic sheen looks incredible under kitchen lights. It brings a modern, high-end vibe to the room. Flipping the board over is effortless. You can switch surfaces in a second to avoid cross-contamination or just to get a different feel. These are built to last for the long haul. You won't find those deep, ugly knife gouges that trap food and smells. They stay looking fresh and performing like new. It is a smart evolution of a tool we use every single day. If you are tired of boards that warp, stain, or just feel cheap, this is the solution. It is a professional-grade upgrade that makes cooking feel like less of a chore. The quality is evident from the moment you take them out of the box. They are durable, versatile, and genuinely useful. You are getting the best of both materials in a single, well-designed package. It is the kind of gear that makes you want to get into the kitchen and start prepping something special. These boards are a game changer for the modern home cook who wants the best tools available. They are reliable, sleek, and tough enough to handle anything you throw at them. Making the switch is a total win for your kitchen setup.